Is up sharing the early lead. Wonder's Dream is alone right over on the far side, and Oasis Dream just slots in behind them from Lady Dominatrix, and further back then Dominica the near side. But Incastle is back in the field from acclamation as they sort themselves out from Sadat. But Schwazier, the Australian sprinter, going.
大家好，歡迎收睇夜馬會嘅特備節目《皇家雅士谷特輯》。啱啱大家睇到嘅第一條片就係本港第一匹遠征皇家雅士谷嘅代表勇字神駒。當年呢一匹馬由愛倫訓練，出戰皇籍錦標，雖然落第但係就開創咗港隊遠征皇家雅士谷嘅先河。咁我諗大家一定唔會唔記得，當年小橋流水同埋好望角亦都曾經揚威呢一項國際嘅盛事。除咗呢兩隻馬之外，其實過往亦都有唔少港隊嘅代表喺皇家雅士谷係取得優異嘅成績。呢個時候喺呢一條片度，不如同大家一齊回顧港隊嘅高光時刻啊！
In the centre there, they're followed by the Tattling and wider out Bahamian Pirate. Lidgate behind them, just preceded by Knight's Cross. The Trader back in the ruck. Stormont is back there as well, so too Lockridge and Colonel Cotton. Racing up now with a furlong and a half left to go. And on the near side, Boogie Street, shortening stride. Here's Majestic Missile in the centre, grabs the opening and goes for home. The Tattling though the danger, followed then by Cave of Good Hope and Ringmore down with a mighty run. But the Tattling goes to the front now with 50 yards to go. The Tattling wins it. Cape of Good Hope is second. Frazzanti now starting to weave a way through, followed by Bahamian Pirate. Anybody's race now as they come up with a furlong and a half left to go in the Golden Jubilee. Avonbridge and Fao Jag on the near side from Country Reel. Ashdale Express, Airwave trying to get through from Cape of Good Hope. And Crystal Castle now produced on the near side. Fao Jag is the leader with 100 yards left to go. Crystal Castle flying now, close home with Cape of Good Hope. But Fao Jag has just got there from on the near side.
呢度開始發力咧，上嚟追呢隻佳力達啦，上到嚟第3位啊，見到橙色衫大熱門嘅百望達咧，騎落去都有啲反應㗎，差唔多咧，仲有100米到終點啦。好望角呢度咧喺近能力湊之下咧，已經係壓過咗呢隻佳力達啦，上到嚟第3位呢就百望達啦，後邊仲有呢個皇家千里嗰啲馬㗎。最近終點嘅時候啊，仲係好望角佔先呢，大概1條頸位㗎。跑第2名係佳力達，第3名咧就係百望達嘅。
Kira's Swiss Diva and further back Tangerine Trees. Bridgetown is just behind them. Star Witness called on for an effort now for Australia. Inside the final furlong though, and it's Sweet Sanet for Hong Kong. 2 in front of Overdose. Prohibit is coming late with a withering run, and Star Witness down the outside. Prohibit grabs the lead. Prohibit has got up to win the King Stand from Star Witness and Sweet.
喺隔離先至係有呢隻咧，就係繡球花嘅。再喺佢哋後邊咧，亦都見到咧就係有啲異國貴族啦，咁啊近翻埋呢邊看台嗰邊咧，先見到咧大禁令啦，咁啊有橙衫啦，就白色鼻箍嗰隻啦，咁啊再後啲先至見到閃埋去仲有呢個卡女郎嗰啲㗎。咁譬如最後咧就400零米見到前面咧小橋流水走咗出嚟㗎噃，首先逼上嚟嘅咧就係有呢隻平息以待啊，另外亦都見到咧埋邊啊繡球花打起上嚟唔好勁嘅，將再望下小橋流水越嚟越甩嘅，睇下可以贏㗎啦。平息以待越追近，追唔追得到咧？第1名嘅小橋流水，第2名嘅就係平息以待，第3名嘅咧就係獨掌全權。小橋流水贏啦！小橋流水
啦，咁啊再跟住先見到瑞典馬包緊尾呢隻奇幻回憶嚟嘅，咁啊呢9匹馬距離好近，咗4個馬去到嘅啫。跑咗半路程㗎啦，咁前面大家頭仲係福兆喎，咁呢大喊大叫一路抱住佢第2嘅，咁內檔尾滿要騎㗎啦。中間咧晨光男兒見到望下好定嘅啫，反而急就將上喐手先啊！外檔嗰邊嘅馬咧仲有空心石人啦，出邊咧奇幻回憶慢慢都騎上嚟啊！大運隨都喺中間嗰堆嚟嘅，咁入佢嚟之後300米範圍嘅時候，咁前面帶緊頭咧仲係呢個福兆未停嘅喎，反而大喊大叫跟唔住啦，外檔衝上嚟奇幻回憶啦，中間啊晨光男兒啊同埋啲瑞典馬嘅，去到100零米嘅時候，前面4匹馬拍住鬥啊，咁啊外檔咧奇幻回憶衝到上嚟好勁，大運財呢個時候亦都撲埋上嚟啊！咁中間咧仲係晨光男兒嘅4匹馬平頭。